Hello. So for this week, I decided to do my page on cheeses. I thought it'd be kind of fun just because there's so many different types of cheeses. I work at a grocery store and I interact in a way with all different kinds of cheeses on a daily basis. And despite not eating cheese, I have far too much knowledge on it, on how to cut it and wrap it and sell it. Um, so this one's on brie, but I wanted to talk about manchego because that is the one that right now it has two links to the same video, but this is just a little placeholder for this screencast. Talk about manchego. So I like I haven't eaten manchego in a really long time, obviously, but I thought it'd be fun just to talk about it. And something I always find fascinating is like how it's produced and the stipulations around it. Getting certified by the DOP, or I think it might be different now. It's like something slightly different. But it's how it's certified, even though it's not organic or grass-fed or something like that, or non-GMO, it can still get this certification for just being good cheese. And kind of how they do that is very interesting to me. But I just thought I'd include a nice little border, a brighter color for the image border, and then I have the green from the example because I like that green. But obviously on the other ones, slightly different. And I copied from the Wikipedia page just because they're very informative, very concise. Yeah, that's about it.